Hey guys, this is Jason. We're back for another tutorial on the waterless wash and wax for the exterior of the vehicle. Today what we're going to be using is our Mobile Glow waterless wash and wax. The pink version, we have a pink and blue. Today we're going to be using the pink version, and we're going to be using the green microfiber cloths. For the exterior, you always want to make sure you use the green microfiber cloths. Fold it into fourths, and what you're going to do is going to get more use out of the cloth. So we got right here this beautiful Honda Accord. It's kind of dirty, and we're going to bring it back fresh and clean. So just watch the process, and at the end we'll show you how it's done.
Supreme.
All right, first what you're going to do is you basically want to make sure your cloth is folded in fourths. If you ever drop this cloth on the ground, in the grass, the dirt, the concrete, or whatever, you do not use this rag again, because what happens is the rocks or leaves or anything gets in these microfibers, it sticks, and when you rub that on the car, that's what scratches the paint. So people ask, does the waterless wash and wax scratch the paint? No, it doesn't. What scratches it is any debris that's in this cloth, and you rub it across the car and scratch it. That's what you do not want to do. But all you're going to do right here, we're just going to start with, let's say we're going to pick a panel, so we're going to start right here in the hood. Take a couple sprays, and all we're going to do, wipe in one single motion up and down. You don't want to go in swirls, because if you do happen to scratch the vehicle, it's going to get more scratches on the vehicle. It's going to be harder to get out through buffing and compound polish and all that. So you're going to go up and down, basically removing all the dirt and debris off of the vehicle. In some spots you will have to rub a little harder if the car's been sitting out for a while. Alright, then all we're going to do is flip it over on the clean side. We're just going to buff that area off that we just finished doing. You see some stuff left, the residue, just make sure you come back and just buff it off. You're going to buff it off left to right or up and down, whichever way you choose. So basically, that's all we're going to do. We're going to do that for around the whole car, and then once we're done, we'll be back. We're going to show you basically how the car comes out. Hey guys, so we just went around the whole car. What we're gonna do, we're leaving the front open because we're gonna have another tutorial video basically to show you how to get the bugs off of the front of the car. But right now what we did, we just went around the whole entire car. And then what we're about to do now, especially on black cars, you always want to go back with the clean microfiber cloth to buff off any excess residue. Maybe put a little bit more wax on there. We're gonna buff it all off. We're gonna come back and show you the finished product of the Hey guys, it's Jason from Mobile Glow. I am back. I had to change shirts. It's so high, it's like 95 degrees out here in sunny Tampa, Florida. But as you see, I'm still sweating. But I had to change shirts. It rained a little bit, so we kind of had to wipe the car back down. But you can see, follow me, walk with me. Just basically the new shine that we have on the vehicle. Of course, we can't get out there. We're not doing any paint or anything like that today. But you can just see the whole difference. We'll put up a before and after photo and picture, so you can just definitely see the results. But the shine is way more. Basically brought the whole black car back to life. This car did look gray, now it's black. So we're definitely excited for the customer to see this vehicle. But once again, this is Jason from Mobile Glow. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Once again, if you like this video, subscribe, share it with somebody, and then we look forward to seeing you on the next one.